Welcome back, students. In this video we will discuss this binomial distribution. In the previous one I discussed Bernoulli distribution with you, and I told you कि in which case that Bernoulli distribution will tend to binomial distribution, otherwise its PMF will be same. Okay, so a random variable x is said to have binomial distribution if its PMF is given by PMF means probability mass function, and in this case I told you कि x is varying from 0 to n, मतलब finite number of trials are there. The probability of x is equal to x, it is equal to NCX. It is the combination, okay, p की power x, q की power n minus x, where x is varying from 0, 1 and so on n. All right, and the value of this function will be 0 else. Okay, where how you open NCX? NCX will be opened as n factorial upon में n minus x का factorial into x factorial. This is from combination in mathematics. Okay. Second thing is both n and p are parameters. Parameters mean we can change their values, है ना, but here okay, p plus q is equal to 1, okay, where q is equal to 1 minus p. P is the probability of success and q is the probability of failure. Probability of success, because Bernoulli distribution is the binomial distribution, so same conditions will be there. Okay, success of probability will be p, success of failure will be q, and there x can assume only two values, 0 and 1, but here it can assume more than those two values. Probability of failure. Okay, now I will tell you one property कि binomial distribution does not hold additive property. Does not hold additive property. What this means? This is the most important part. Okay, what this means? This means when you take two binomial variates, okay, the variate that follows binomial distribution, when you take those two and when you add them, you will find that their sum will not follow binomial distribution. Okay, and one more thing, notation of this random variable x following binomial distribution will be this, where n is the number of trials and p is the probability. N is the number of trials and p is the probability of success. And one more thing, see, from here you can directly see all the required conditions. I already told you n. I gave you n. N means the number of trials are independent. Okay, second thing, p plus q is equal to 1, where p is the probability of success, q is the probability of failure. That means these are mutually exhaustive and these are mutually disjoint. Okay, this is the most important thing. All right, now I will tell you that binomial distribution does not hold additive property. Let x1 follows binomial distribution with number of trials n1 and success probability will be p1. x2 follows binomial distribution with n2 number of trials and p2 probability of success. Now question is कि x1 plus x2 does not follows binomial distribution, ये फॉलो नहीं करता है. नाउ आई विल टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम द MGF, मोमेंट जनरेटिंग फंक्शन. हियर आई एम राइटिंग द फॉर्मूला ऑफ मोमेंट जनरेटिंग फंक्शन in this case. Explicitly I will discuss in the next video. Okay, तो m of x1t, I will show you how it is coming, but now I am writing the result directly. Q1 P1 e की power t की power n1. This is mx1t formula. mx2t will be Q2 plus P2 e की power t n2. This is your mx2 formula. Now mgf4 x1 plus x2t, it will be, I am not doing that general proof here because we did कि sum of n independent random variables MGF formula will open in their multiplication form. We did this in the first or I think second video based on this MGF. Okay, this is the formula. Now put the value of this one. It will be Q1 plus P1 e की t n1. Q2 plus P2 e की t n2. Now tell me one thing. Q1 can be equal to Q2, but it can't be. Maybe it is equal or maybe it is not equal. Same for P, e की power t will be same for n1 and n2. That means we cannot combine these two, right? हम इसको combine नहीं कर सकते. To get the general form, it is not equal to the general form Q plus P e t की power n. It will always be in separated form. So that's why we are saying कि addition does not follow binomial distribution. Okay, and this is the most important thing because sometimes while solving our questions we will use this result. Okay, in question they will give us the x1 x2 or more than these two variables, then they will ask for x1 plus x2. like for example अगर ये follow करता उसके लिए बाइनॉमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में फिर नंबर ऑफ ट्रायल्स के लिए कुछ फॉर्मूला होता, सक्सेस की प्रोबेबिलिटी के लिए कुछ फॉर्मूला होता. देखें ना आस्क कि अगर x1 और x2 कुछ ऐसे हैं तो x1 प्लस x2 के लिए सेम चीज़ कैसे होल्ड करेगी. एट दैट टाइम यू कैन से कि इसके लिए एडिशन प्रॉपर्टी होल्ड नहीं कर सकते, तो वी कांट से वी राइट नाउ वी आर नॉट हैविंग एनी काइंड ऑफ फॉर्मूला फॉर दैट. ओके,